In this video, I will be showing you how to use Wispr Flow's command mode to quickly translate and refine your text. Let's get started. I'll begin by heading over to the Settings menu in the bottom left corner of the Flow dashboard. Once the Settings panel opens, I'll select the Experimental tab from the sidebar on the left. Here, I'm going to find the command mode option and toggle it on so I can start using voice commands directly within my documents. Now that it's enabled, I'll switch over to my Google Doc where I have some text ready to go. I've written a short sentence about creating a guide for Wispr Flow, and I'll start by highlighting all of it. Notice the command mode bar at the bottom. This is where I'll give my instruction. I'm going to say, translate this into Spanish. It takes just a moment to process, and then the English text is instantly replaced with the Spanish translation. Next, I'll highlight that new Spanish text and click. This time, I'll tell it to translate the text back into English. It's a great way to double-check accuracy or just switch between languages on the fly. After a brief wait, the text is back in English just like that. Finally, let's try to improve the writing itself. I'll highlight the English text again. This time, I'm going to ask it to make the text a little longer and a bit more concise. Even though those might sound like opposites, the AI understands I want more detail without any unnecessary fluff. The result is a much more professional and developed paragraph that is still very easy to read. That's how simple it is to use Wispr Flow to edit your work using nothing but your voice. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.